Hello, and welcome to Cloud NGFW Nuggets. In this demo, we'll walk you through the Cloud NGFW for AWS try and buy journey in Strata Cloud Manager, a faster and more efficient way to set up and manage your firewall resources in AWS. Cloud NGFW is delivered as a fully managed, cloud-native service by Palo Alto Networks. With Cloud NGFW for AWS, customers gain best-in-class next-generation firewall security through an easy-to-use cloud-native experience. In just a few clicks, you can secure your AWS deployments without worrying about managing virtual appliances or infrastructure. Performance and resiliency are built in, and there's nothing to patch or upgrade. Because it's built in partnership with AWS, Cloud NGFW integrates seamlessly with native AWS services, including AWS Firewall Manager and Amazon CloudWatch, so you get a truly native AWS experience. With the new try and buy journey, everything starts right inside the Strata Cloud Manager console. You can create and deploy Cloud NGFWs with full features and functionality, giving you the freedom to test and validate your security policies in a real environment before you commit to a subscription. When you're ready to move to production and link your deployment to AWS billing, simply enter your AWS account ID in SCM to generate a unique billing code. Then, subscribe to the service in the AWS Marketplace using that code. The best part? This process has zero impact on your running Cloud NGFW resources. Your protection stays active and uninterrupted, even while you complete the subscription. Let's kick things off and see just how easy it is to start your Cloud NGFW journey. First, log in to Strata Cloud Manager and head over to the Configuration section. Next, select Cloud NGFW and click Get Started. And just like that, you're on your way. Now, select Amazon Web Services as your cloud provider and click Next. Here's where the magic happens. Let's configure your deployment. Firewall name, give it a unique name to make it easy to identify. Region, select the AWS region where you want to deploy. Availability zones, pick the zones where your workloads live. Allow list, specify the AWS accounts where firewall endpoints will be deployed. Once everything looks good, review your configuration and click Create and Deploy. And that's it. In just a few clicks, your Cloud NGFW is live, delivering next-generation security right in the cloud. Once the firewall is deployed, the next step is to create endpoints in your AWS environment. The endpoint's role is to redirect traffic to the firewall for inspection, ensuring secure traffic flow. In Strata Cloud Manager, navigate to Endpoint Management. Copy the unique service name generated for your deployment. Switch to your AWS console, navigate to the VPC Endpoints section, and create a new endpoint. Select endpoint services that use NLB or GWLB. Paste the service name you copied earlier and verify it. Choose the VPC and subnets where the endpoints will be deployed. Click Create to finalize. Once the endpoints are created, the next step is to update your VPC route tables to direct traffic through the newly created endpoints. With these steps complete, your environment is fully secured with enterprise-grade protection, delivered through a frictionless cloud-native experience. Now that your firewall resources and endpoints are fully deployed, you can unlock the real power of Strata Cloud Manager. From a single, intuitive console, you can create and enforce security policies, control application access, and enable advanced threat prevention, without the need for extra tools or complex workflows. With real-time visibility and actionable insights, Your team can monitor traffic, detect threats, and respond instantly, all in one place. This unified experience turns policy management and threat monitoring into a frictionless, scalable operation, helping you stay ahead of evolving threats while reducing operational overhead. The try and buy experience makes it seamless to migrate to pay-as-you-go or credits. Once the 30-day trial is over, with no downtime or redeployment required, ensuring continuous protection for your AWS workloads. Log into SCM and navigate to Configuration, Cloud NGFW section, and click Subscription. From here, select Add New Subscription, enter the AWS account ID you want to use, then click Generate. This creates your unique billing subscription code. Go ahead and copy it. We'll use it in the next step. Next, select Complete the subscription, and you'll be redirected to the AWS Marketplace listing to finish the setup. Click View Purchasing Options, and then select Subscribe. Once the subscription page opens, choose Set up your account. On the Create a new Cloud NGFW tenant screen, select Yes when prompted if you have an SCM billing code. Enter your email address and paste in the billing code you just copied. Click Continue to finish. And that's it. Your subscription is active. You're now ready to transition from trial to production seamlessly, with zero service impact and full protection in place. This concludes our demo. To learn more about Cloud NGFW, visit the Palo Alto Networks live community page.